Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, February the 6th, and an important update for you. This week is the last week of SAP. Some of you will be excited about that. So this is the last week you have SAP assignments. I will be in class tomorrow night with the graduate assistant. If you have any questions about this assignment, it's best to try to come tomorrow night during class. Several of you waited last week until sort of around the last minute and then had login problems. It wasn't just one or two, there were several people that did that. And, emailed me after I had already gone. And I want to be able to help, but my afternoons and evenings are really tied up with kids. So if you need help, you need to come around before the afternoon, before 3:30 to 4 o'clock. So this week, if we look at the calendar, let me pull the calendar up for you. So here we are. There's Tuesday the 7th, which would be tomorrow night. There'll be an optional lab. You don't have to come, but you're welcome to come tomorrow night from 5:30 to 6:45. And then here's the important thing. Next, this Friday, February the 10th, this Friday, all of the quizzes are due so far. And then next Tuesday is your closed book exam in class. So it's really important that you work ahead on this SAP assignment because all of your quizzes are due on Friday. Now let me just show you how many people are actually taking quizzes. So when I go in my view to the quizzes, it shows me how many people are working ahead. So what quizzes are due by this Friday? Everything from here up. You've got quiz for Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 11, plug-in number 1, Chapter 12, Chapter 13, Chapter 5, and plug-in 5. Now look at the numbers over here of how many people are actually taking these quizzes. You know how many people are in the class? About 45. That means only a little over half of you have even taken the first quiz. Now that's a little bit frustrating because these quizzes have been available since the very beginning of the semester. And now here we are, the week that the quizzes are due. You've got SAP assignments, and over half of you have not taken a single quiz. So that means this week you've got to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quizzes, plus complete an SAP assignment. And that's a lot of work. That's why we open it up ahead of time. That's why I told you at the beginning of the semester you needed to work ahead. And now this week there's a lot of you that are going to be pressed for time. So I hope you don't have a lot going on in your other classes. It's just very disappointing to have this few people have worked ahead. And you can see only 1 or 2 people, 3, 6, 8, 9, 13, 24. So you've got a lot of work to do this week. It's going to be a busy week. Don't forget about your quizzes. They're all due on this Friday night, the 10th. Okay, so you've got until 11:59 on Friday night to finish all of these quizzes. But don't get mad if you don't have them done because they've been open since the beginning of the semester. Now the quizzes for your next set are all available now. They're all due on March 10th. Which ones? Here's the set right here that are due on March the 10th. So if you've fallen behind this time, don't fall behind again. You've got 2 attempts per quiz. You probably won't get the exact same questions on each one. So you need to make sure that you are studying, you are preparing. You've got in Wiley Plus, you've got the textbook, you've got the video lectures, you've got the PowerPoints that you can download. There's practice quizzes you can take in Wiley Plus. You've got more than enough study tools in Wiley Plus. All you have to do here in CourseDen is come over here and actually take the quiz for a grade. So you come in here and take your quizzes. You've got that due on Friday the 10th. You've also got SAP, the third assignment, final SAP is due this Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. Your quizzes are due on Friday at 11:59 p.m. and your exam 1, which is based on only the chapters. There will be no SAP questions on exam 1. It is only based on the chapter content that's highlighted here on the screen. It's going to be on exam 1 next week in class. I'll have a Scantron for you, but you do have to bring your student ID so that you can take the exam. So a lot going on. Sorry if I sound a little bit aggravated, but it is a little bit frustrating because we open this stuff up so you can work ahead and not hardly any of you have. And so I hope that you all do really well on your quizzes this week and you're able to get the SAP work done. Remember, there are graduate assistants available Monday through Thursday from 8 to 5. Okay, so there's going to be plenty of help. There's always been plenty of help available. And the people that have emailed me, I've tried to work it out with them, or either I've emailed the graduate assistants if I wasn't able to work things out with them. We're trying to make sure you've got the support you need. So take advantage of it. Don't forget your quizzes and your SAP work. And if you come tomorrow night, I'll see you then. If not, then I'll see you a week from tomorrow at the first exam.